Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss questions on coding and decoding which is useful for UPSC CSAT paper 2. You can download the short notes of PDF from the given Telegram channel link. Right friends, so the link will be given in the description box. You can join from there. Right, you can join the WhatsApp number, that is WhatsApp group for mains answer writing initiatives. We will conduct mains answer writing practice on daily basis for which are important for second stage of the UPSC preparations. Right friends, so here you can follow me on my Facebook page. Next you can subscribe the blogs for getting an interesting articles regarding the personality development and other UPSC related articles. Right friends, so you can join the Telegram channel for getting a various kinds of PDF. So today's agenda, now we will enter into our today's target, that is coding and decoding. Right, so practicing with me, that is 100%. This is a series that is challenging 100% clearing series. Right friends, so there will be no doubt, that is you will never fail in the UPSC CSAT prelims examinations. Right, that is qualifying nature. So please keep focused. Right friends, so today's topic is coding and decoding. So let me tell you the first of all types. What are the types which the UPSC will ask in coding and decoding? So the type number 1 is, they will give simply like A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is represented as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next they will say the other letter, that is F, G, H and I is represented as 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now they will ask in similar way, what is the code of 3, 9, 1 and 11. So then you have to mark as 3 is coded as C here, you can see easily. So 3 becomes C and 9 becomes F. Similarly 1 becomes A and 11 becomes H friends. So here your answer will come as CFAH for this question. So this is the one type, and the second type in this format itself, that is they will give questions based on G, A, C and H is coded as. So you have to mark, that is 10, 1, 3 and last one is 11. So for this question your answer will be 10, 1, 3 and 1. So in this format you have to answer the questions. Right friends, so next we will move for the second approach, that is what kind of other questions the UPSC will ask. So they will give you the sentence forms. Right friends, like Delhi, he will give 4. Next he will see China as number 3. Next he will say Australia as 1. So next, how the Telangana is coded as. So it is very much difficult, right friends? So you have to very keenly, you have to observe these kind of questions. So first letter is coded as 4 in your alphabet series, right? And second second alphabet, that is C, will be coded as 3, and in Australia A will be coded as 1, right? So T is coded for 20, right friend? So T will be coded as 20 friends. So in this question your answer for this question is 20. So in this format you have to answer the questions, right? Next, similarly, what the other type will ask, you can mark here it Delhi, second one is China, third one is Australia. Right friends, so they will give in this format, and he will say that they will give a code you as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? And in China it is given as 6, 4, 5, 9 and 10. Right friends, so for this they will ask you what is the code of 9, 10, 3, 4, 5. So here your answer would be N, A, L, H and I. So N, A, L, H, I would be your answer, friends, right? So in this format you have to answer the question. That is, coding and decoding is a favorite topic of UPSC, and I can say there is a various kind of other examinations also, various kind of other competitive examinations. You will get at least 2 to 4 questions from these areas, friends. So never miss such kind of easy topic, friends, right? So I hope you understood the introductory part of the coding and decoding. If you have any doubts regarding the coding and decoding, you may let me know in the in the description box. I'll solve your problems, right, friends? So in the next session we will come with some kind of questions based on it, and we will elaborate in very details there. So till then, please stay tuned with this channel, right, friends? So I hope you enjoyed the video. So do subscribe for Acquire IAS, and do share as much as possible with your friends, and thank you very much. Have a great day.